Excuse me? Do you guys know where the, was the arts and letter?
It's not there.
No. What do you... Sorry, guys. It's like down the... down the road? Okay.
Yeah, there should be like a pathway kind of, and then you'll see the Viejas Arena.
Okay.
And then if you go past the Viejas Arena,
Then it's like right. It's like
it'll
kind
be
of
on the right.
on the right, but it's like past that. Okay, cool. Thank you.
Hey guys, you don't happen to know where the Letters and Arts building is?
Arts and letters.
Sorry, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
If you go down,
actually, sorry, give me one sec, please. Thanks.
She told me that that's what happened. Are you? No. Are you kidding me? Do you know how to get to the Love Library?
Dome.
The Dome?
So you go to the dome, you can go downstairs and go.
Oh, okay, sweet, cool. Excuse me? Do you guys know where the nearest bathroom is? Like around...
In the ENS building?
Where's that?
So like there's this building, but like the one directly behind it.
Well,
okay.
there should be one in the library.
Okay,
Yeah,
sweet,
library,
cool.
Hey guys, you don't happen to know where the Arts and Letters building is, do you?
Yeah, you have to go.
Is it far?
Down here, take a left.
Get out of here.
You go down, take a left over here, and then go down the hill, and then you take a right up the road.
All right, thanks.
Are you okay? Is this a dare or something?
Do you guys know how to get to the rec from here? I'm not from here.
talk about the art.
Is it like to work out?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's how you work. You just go this way.
Which way?
You just go down that way. And
You go, turn down.
Do you guys know where the gym is? I'm not from here, and the main gym.
Like the recreation center?
Yeah.
That way and then take a right. Yeah. Go up, follow this path, like the first right, stay on the path and walk down. It's gonna be like a little. Or you can go through this way and then you can cut through the arena. Like there'll be some red doors. Yeah.
Okay.
Through the arena, you'll be good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I got it, but thank you.